How to quickly change channels on YouTube TV. Here are several methods to easily change channels on Method 1. Use the Live Guide. Open the YouTube TV app on your device. Select the Live tab Scroll through the channel guide to see available op. Click on the Chan Method 2. Use the remote control, smart TV and streaming devices. While watching a live channel, press the up or down arrow on a channel list. Overlay will appear. Use the arrow buttons. Press OK or Enter to Method 3. Use the back button. While watching a channel, press the back button. This will return you to the last Chan method. 4. Use the search feature, mobile and web. Tap the search icon. Type in the name of the channel you want to watch. Select the channel from the search results to stay Method 5. Use the Home tab, Recently Watched. Open the Home tab from the main menu. Scroll down to the Recently Watched section. Click on any recently viewed channel to resume watching. Pro tip: keyboard shortcuts, web. Use the arrow keys to navigate quickly. Type directly into the search bar for faster access. Personalize your channel lineup. Customize your channel line Live Guide for quicker access to your favorite channels. Now you can switch channels effortlessly on YouTube TV.